trying to think, when did we last speak? I left you on home, so untrue. Just been working so hard, like you know I do. It's taken a toll, it seems, and our friendship is cold with how long it's been. But I need you to know just this: not only you who's fear is always hard when we're miles apart. But don't you start thinking I'm not here for you. I'll come running, yeah, I'll come running to you. I'll come running, yeah, I'll come running back. I'll come running, yeah, I'll come running to you. I'll come running. I know it's not fair. You're saying I don't care. Just say the words to me. I'll come running. I'll come running. Don't you dare. I'm saying I don't care. I'll always be there for you. I'll come running. I'll come running. I'm packing my bags tonight. Put rehearsals on hold till I can make this right. The train leaves at 4. There's still time. Can't wait anymore to say what's on my mind. But what could this mean? It's surreal, going out of my way 'cause of how I feel. And what will they think of me? I say it's you I'm running to.